Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make brick veneer. First, let's cover the basics. Brick veneer offers the classic look of brick without the weight of full-size bricks, making it a popular choice for many projects. We'll walk through the process, from preparing your surface to the final touches, ensuring a beautiful and durable finish. This easy method is perfect for DIY enthusiasts. Proper preparation is key for a lasting brick veneer. Begin by ensuring your wall is clean, dry, and free of debris. For exterior applications, install a weather-resistant barrier and metal lath, securing it firmly. Next, mix your mortar. Aim for a consistency similar to thick pancake batter, ensuring it's smooth and lump-free. This provides the best adhesion for your veneer bricks. Now for the exciting part, laying the bricks. Start from a bottom corner, applying a generous layer of mortar to the wall or the back of each brick. Press each brick firmly into place, ensuring full coverage. Use spacers, like 3/8-inch dowel rods, to maintain consistent mortar joint thickness. Cut bricks with a wet saw or brick hammer for precise fits around edges and openings. Once your bricks are laid, it's time for the finishing touches. When the mortar is thumbprint hard, use a jointing tool to smooth and compact the mortar joints. This not only looks professional, but also helps seal the joints against moisture. Promptly clean any excess mortar from the brick faces with a stiff brush or wet sponge. Finally, allow the entire veneer to cure for several days, following the mortar manufacturer's instructions to achieve maximum strength and durability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.